Hey y'all, it's Alexis back with another video. So today we are doing a cute little room tour. It's taken me a while to get my room exactly how I want it. I'm still managing to get the rest of the house together, but my room, for instance, we've gotten that pretty much almost perfect. It's a few more touches that I would like to make, but I'll go over that throughout the video. So if this is something that you would like to watch, just keep on watching. So first we're gonna start over here with the TV wall. I went for a black dresser with gold finishes. It started off as black. I painted it to white. When I first got it, I was obsessed. I had a obsession with having just white furniture. So now that I'm a little older, I painted it back black and I absolutely love it. I have this little cute junk cute little junk bin. I don't even know what to call it. It's glass. But I got it from Hobby Lobby. Love that. I have a little trinket tray. I don't really have anything to sit in it. I just keep my AirPods there so I don't lose them. Now this is a oldie but a goodie. When I first moved out on my own, this is one of the first things that I bought. I'm not too crazy about the color anymore. Like I mean, I don't know. Like, I love gold stuff, but I've kind of grown out of it, but I still love it. It matches, so it works. So then let's see what we're gonna go to next. So then y'all, when I tell y'all this right here is just super cute. It matches the whole vibe of the room. I got this from Ross. It probably wasn't even $30, if that. I got a little cute little fur rug. Got that from Ross. So now for the main attraction, my bed. I got this from a local furniture store that's located in my city. I believe it's a Ashley's furniture bed though. It's super comfortable, super soft. It's velvet. So these are the details up close. It's just velvet. So then let's see. Let's get to the pillows. So these are Eurosham. The big pillows are Euroshams. Love those to death. I got I believe the inserts, they came from Walmart, and the pillowcases, they came from Walmart as well. Now with the little cute mini ones, these, as you can tell, I love olive. The olive is my thing. When I do videos around my house, you probably have already noticed that olive is my theme. It just fits. So that's that. And these came from Amazon. I'm almost certain the pillowcases came from Amazon. I got this cute little throw blanket on the bottom of the bed. Got this from Ross. I wasn't really sure exactly what I was looking for when I got this, and somehow I made all of it work. Made it all go together. So then these are my cute little nightstands. I actually got these from a yard sale. Me and my mom, we just happened to be passing by one, and they actually are the same color. They were the same color as my floors, but it didn't go with my dresser, so I ended up painting it all black. And then this cute little trinket here. I don't know what to call it really. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and it's the exact same thing that's on the other side of the bed. This isn't my side that I use, so that's why I'm showing you this side. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lamp. Super, super hard to keep clean because it gets super dusty. But for the sake of the video, I went ahead and cleaned it off for y'all, so y'all didn't have to witness that mess. But it's super pretty. Like, when I tell y'all, it took me forever to find a lamp that I really, really liked. Like, it was either the lampshade wasn't the right color, or the lampshade wasn't the right color, or the actual lamp wasn't the right color. So one day I saw these lamps in there. There was 2 sets. I loved the bottom part, but I didn't like the lampshade. But on the other one, I loved the lampshade, but I didn't like the bottom part. So I just swapped them out. So that's, you know, that's a little thing that I did. But I did get these lamps from Ross. Super, super cute. So then this is the mirror. Look, cute little content corner. This is super cute, actually. This is cute. Yeah, I can see myself now. So so this is a mirror, a full-size mirror. The one that I actually have that's up the hallway, I kind of wish that it was back here, but it's not as tall. Like, it's gold, like that vase, but it's not tall enough. It's not tall to my liking. It's wide to my liking, but it isn't tall like the height that I would like for it to be back here. So this works. And then I have the little, I don't even know what to call these. I don't know. What are these? Because it's not pompous. I have that up the hallway. Cute little pompous style. But it's super cute. I don't know what to call it, but it matches the mirror. And then I got this cute, I know, very cute, very demure picture. When I tell y'all, I went through everything to find this picture. Like, I could not find a picture that I could be satisfied on, you know. So I just pretty much figured it out. And once I found it, yeah, of course I had to buy it. So then let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So then I have the very, very high up curtains. I feel like it makes my room, it fills the space. Like, well, I'm not gonna say it fills the space. It's just, it makes my ceilings seem like they're taller than what they actually are, and it just adds a perfect touch to the room. And last but not least, I have these really pretty gold pictures. I don't know what to call them, but yeah, pretty much pictures. I got these from Ross, as you can more than likely tell. Like, yeah, based off of everything that I've said, I've pretty much decorated my entire room with Ross. And then I forgot to tell y'all where the cover came from. It's actually a duvet. I got this from Amazon as well, and that's it. So I'm a little tired. I'm out of breath. I'm a little out of breath. I'm a little out of breath because that was a lot. But you know, these are the type of things that I love, I enjoy Y'all, I'm a little out of breath, but this is the end of the video. I gotta catch my breath. I didn't realize how much talking this would entail, but I really enjoy doing these talk throughs of the things that I like. I think as I get my house back in order exactly how I love it to be, I'll give y'all updates of it. So if this is a type of video that if you've enjoyed this video this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.
Check my tip.